Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Institute Rank. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city, Delhi? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 4 institutes for NEET preparations in your city, Delhi. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. Without further delay, let us begin the video. At rank 1, we have Aakash Institute. So, Aakash Institute is the best NEET coaching institute in Delhi and is one of the leading institute in this educational sector. This academy provides exclusive classes for the NEET preparation with the integrated teaching approach. The faculty here is highly qualified and gives an exclusive test series for the remarkable preparation. Now, let us talk about the benefits of joining the Aakash Institute. The very first is to get good rank in NEET Aakash module is considered as excellent. Next, in NEET medical exam preparation, Aakash is a pioneer institute. And at last we have NEET test series is available in both online and offline version. So you can practice either in online mode or offline. The address of the institute includes A121 Block A1 Janakpuri, Delhi 110058. Their contact number includes 08800013017 and 01147623456. Now let us talk about NEET coaching fee structure. So, for a 2-year course, the fee here is approximately a sum of rupees 2,99,000 and the batch size here is 40 students in a batch. The website of the institute includes www.aakash.ac.in and their email is corporate@aesl.in. At rank 2, we have YVS Institute. So, for NEET entrance test, it requires an excellent platform for preparing and YVS Institute is the perfect arena to choose for this purpose. Now, let us talk about the advantages of YVS NEET coaching in Delhi. So the very first is YVS coaching for NEET exam in Delhi boost your NEET exam preparation with best NEET exam cracking strategies. In every 15 days, YVS NEET institutes conduct NEET exam mock tests for best preparation of the students. Further, this best coaching for NEET in Delhi also discuss most important NEET medical questions asked in NEET examination. That is, they also discussed in detail past years question papers. Also, they ensures full syllabus of NEET medical examinations to be covered in the classes and regular doubt clearing sessions are also held by the institute. Now, let us discuss about the address. So, address of YVS Institute is U182, 2nd floor, Upadhyay Block near pillar number 30, Shakarpur Metro Station, gate number 4, New Delhi 110092. Their contact numbers are 9773914904 and 9899851090. The fee for 2 years is a sum of rupees 2 lakh here and in a batch you will get 28 students. So the batch size here is 28 students in a batch. The email ID of the institute includes instituteyvs@gmail.com and info@yvsindia.com. Their website is www.yvsindia.com. The Guidance Classes is our rank 3 institute. This NEET coaching institute was started by a group of well-known NEET exam expert professors and experienced educators. The guidance classes for NEET in Delhi in a short period of time carved a niche in NEET teaching and became one of the premier medical NEET coaching academies in Delhi. The address of the institute includes 581 Kalu Sarai Road, opposite Sarvapriya Vihar, Vijay Mandal Enclave, Kalu Sarai, New Delhi 110016. Their phone number includes 01141828089 and 01146043741. Now let us talk about their fee structure. So, for a 1 year, the fee is approximately a sum of rupees 1,40,000 and for 2 years, the fee structure in Guidance Academy is 2,40,000 rupees. The batch size of the institute is 50 students per batch, and the website of the institute includes www.theguidance.co.in. The last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 4 institute, is Margashri NEET Coaching. So, Margashri Classes is located in Delhi and is well known for its facilities, for they cater according to the aspirants' needs. In Margashri, you all will get exclusively planned teaching programs and an excellent competitive environment also. In this institute, they conduct daily test series, discussion sessions, and also doubt clearing sessions are held by the institute on daily basis. Now let us discuss the advantages of Margashri coaching. The very first is best faculties for NEET exam preparation is provided by the institute. This medical institute help you to reach best NEET medical colleges in India. And at last we have best NEET exam result is produced by the institute. Now let us talk about the address, contact number, fees and batch size of the institute. So the address of the institute includes 315 Vikas Complex, Vikas Marg in front of Metro Pillar 56 near Nirman Vihar Metro, Shakarpur, New Delhi 110092. Their contact numbers are 01122503337, 8527672622 and 9711334982. Now let us talk about their fee structure. So the course fee for a normal 1 year here is a sum of rupees 80,000, and for 2 year the fee structure is like a sum of rupees 1,20,000. The batch size of the institute is 15 students per batch, and the website of the institute includes www.margashri.com. These were our top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Delhi. I hope you have got enough knowledge regarding all these institutions and now will choose the best one for yourself. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.